Milestones are behavioral or physical checkpoints in a child's development. No two children are the same and achieve milestones at their own pace. This video provides information on when these milestones can be expected. It includes everything from a high-pitched cry to uttering words. A baby crying immediately after birth is considered ideal with a good reason. The lungs draw the first breath and soon kick into action for the baby to cry out loud. This is seen by the doctors as the most important sign for survival. The first cry is the most joyous moment of a mother's life. A crying baby is the mother's greatest assurance that the delivery is successful. It causes immense pleasure and relaxation at the same time. The baby's muscles starts growing in the first month. In the second to the third month, the baby will be able to raise his or her head to a 45-degree angle when they are on their tummy. In the third to the fourth month, the baby will be able to hold his or her head up at a 90-degree angle. They would be able to turn their head as well as from side to side. This will in turn lead them to sit up and even try to roll over. During the fourth to the sixth month, the baby will be expected to be able to roll over on both the sides. With their increasing upper body strength, babies will attempt to roll over from their tummy to the back. Around the 7th to almost the 10th month, you will see the baby learning how to crawl. This is yet another big milestone in the baby's growth. A baby could crawl in different techniques and could even be agitated when they fail to do so. But with continuous practice, they'll master the art of crawling. A baby will be able to sit independently from the 7th to the 9th month. This will be an exciting milestone for the baby as they will be able to view their surroundings from a different perspective. By the 9th to the 11th month, the baby will learn how to follow the eye gaze of an adult and can hold the eye gaze when they see their caregiver around them. They will learn to look at someone when they hear sounds of speech. The baby in the 11th to the 12th month will try to walk by cruising along, holding on to something. They will slowly take steps by holding on to the edges of the furniture and move. By the end of year 1, babies usually learn to utter, understand simple words such as mama, dada, yes and no. They will attempt to mimic the sounds they hear, though they might not be able to pronounce it clearly.